Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need electrical power first. Turn the key to the ACC or on position or press the start button once so accessories engage. You are not starting the engine, just powering the circuits. Once the dash lights come on, look immediately for the headlight control, usually a left stalk or a round dial near the steering column. Make sure to hold the wheel steady as you reach. Do not toggle switches while turning the ignition to avoid accidental resets or confusing indicators. Now operate the control itself. Rotate the dash dial to the headlight icon or twist the left stalk away from you until it clicks into the low beam position. Some cars use an auto position. Choose full-on headlight if auto is not preferred. If you need high beams, push or pull the stalk according to your vehicle's design. Once done, glance at the instrument cluster to confirm the headlight indicator is lit. That confirmation ensures the bulbs are receiving power and the circuit is closed. Finish by stepping out and visually verifying both headlights are illuminated and aimed correctly. This check catches a blown bulb or misalignment. If nothing lights, make sure the indicator on the dash is off or on. Then inspect the related fuse in the main fuse box for blown filament and replace with the same amp rating if needed. If the fuse is fine, test parking lights to see if the switch works. If parking lights function but headlights do not, the bulb or wiring is likely at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.